Okay, I'm back, and I found this striped cord that I had in my stash. You can see I got ink all over my hands. And that is what I use to tie a bow on the end, and I'm just going to apply it just like this. Okay. So I'm going to put down the first one, just like so. And once I get that down, and it dries a little bit, then I'm going to come back and put a dot of glue on the top one to keep it from flopping around. And I'm only going to apply that glue to the other piece of chipboard, not to the cover itself, because I want there to be that little bit of lift between the two. Okay, and I'm just pressing that into place. And I'm liking the way that's turning out. Okay, and as you recall, I had got ready to install the spine, but realized it was a little bit too wide, so I'm going to trim that down. It's dry now. Okay, everything seems to be in place, not floating around. Turn it on its side and see how that fits. Oh, much better. Okay, I don't know why I didn't dry fit that, but there you go. Okay, I'm putting some glue on this, and I'll have this in just a minute. Okay. I need you to come down just a little bit. There. Okay, there we go. Okay, I like it, I like it. I'm going to straighten my desktop a little bit, and then let's see, I'm going to, oh, my glue is drying on me. I'm going to go back, and on one of those pieces of ephemera, I needed to add a strip, so I'm going to go locate that, and let's go ahead and get that in. I think it was this one. Yeah. So I think I've got some choices here. Sorry, everything's sticking to me. And I like this peacock one, partly because it coordinates with this too. So I'm going to trim this down, and we're going to add this to the bottom of this ephemera card real quick. Let's see. 4.5. And I'm going to ink the edge, get that, knock that white off. And just a little bit of glue, because you don't want it to squish out over the edges. I'm not sure if you can see what I'm doing. Okay, and now there's still a little strip here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to just trim that off. There you go, and I'm really happy with the result. So that was very simple, and it was just a little piece of scrap that I had left over. And I think I might have had, yep, one more. Here it is. Same thing. So I'm going to add a decorative piece to the bottom. And this one I won't even have to trim. It's exactly right. kind of weird. I was just double checking to see that that I was actually recording, but I don't see the, normally I see a running clock, but I don't see it right now. So hopefully all this is being recorded. All right, there we go. And that's in. So there we go. So I think these little details just make a lot of difference in the quality and presentation of your album. So I'm going to set this glue aside. Let's see, was there anything else I was going to do? Double check, I had already done that one. These ones are covered. Looks good. Okay, so I'm going to take a break. I'm going to go cover that last insert. And I think it was this one. Yeah. And then I'll be done with most everything in the album. And then the last piece is to come back and add all these little pieces of chipboard. And I'll be doing that in the next video.